Now let us learn the basics of Python. I'll only cover something that will be very essential in order to start with Python, but I want to go deep into the advanced topic of Python. And obviously those advanced topics are not essential as a intermediate or as even a beginner or intermediate ethical hacker. So to get hands-on and to start with ethical hacking career, you can just have a basic knowledge about Python, and that would be essential to solve the challenges. So in this video, basically we will talk about Python variables. So I will have only 3 lectures particularly to talk about Python, and in these 3 lectures I will only go through the essentials of Python. So first, in this video, let us talk about Python variables. So what are variables? Let me open my terminal. And so Python variables are containers. You can imagine them as a containers for storing data values. So Python has no command for declaring a variable. So simply you can create the variable when you first assign a value to it. For example, first of all type Python to start the Python. So here you can see the version that I am associated with the Python is 3.11. You can have different version if you want. So here, first of all, let us create a variables. So I'll just say variables. So this is the way to comment, to give a comment so that it won't be executed. So see here, these are the variables. Now first of all, I'll create the variable x with the value 5 in it. So this is the variable now. So x is a variable which is a integer variable. You can just see the type of this variable, which is integer. Similarly, you can also create the variable with a name y. So here we created the variable with a name x. Now I have created the variable y with the value John. So now this variable y is of type string. Similarly, you can print the value of x and y just doing this way. So x has assigned 5 in it. So value 5 was assigned to x. So whenever we print the value of the variable, we get the value 5. Similarly, I can also do multi-assignment in Python, something in this way. So the value 4 will be assigned to p and value 5 will be assigned to q. Now if I print the value of p, it will be 4, and value of q, it will be 5. Similarly, you can also do something like, let us say I have the variable I and I assigned 5 in it, but here you can see it is inside this quote, which means the type will be string. So whenever you give the value inside the quotation mark, it will be string. Now inside you can see there is a 5. So 5 is a number basically. So if I want to convert string to the number, then I can simply do typecast, something like this. So I want to convert it to the integer. So I is string, but I want to convert it to the integer, then I'll just typecast it with int. Now you can see it is 5, which is integer 5 now. Similarly, you can also know that the variables are case sensitive. So if I say a is 4 and now the capital A, so you can see this smaller a, which is lowercase a, is different from uppercase a. So if I print the value of small a, it will be 4. If I print the value of big A, it will be the value that is assigned to A. So this small a is different from big A. So that means Python variables are case sensitive. Just remember that.